Hello, where you had the coldest, frostiest start this morning. This is where you're seeing most of the sunshine this afternoon across Northern Ireland, through Scotland, and indeed Wales, seeing plenty of sunny spells. Down the eastern side of England, though, your sky may well look like this. There's some light rain and drizzle around. Have yet another day of a weather front just hanging on here, and there's a keen northeasterly breeze. Underneath this cloud, it feels quite cold too.
Hello again. Hope you're all keeping well. So it's been a fine afternoon for many northern and western areas, but for the east we've still had that system which has been producing more cloud and outbreaks of rain throughout today.
Good evening. Cloudy from east to west today across the capital, as captured by our weather watchers in Greenwich and in Kew Gardens. Also outbreaks of rain on and off throughout the day, most of it light and patchy, but our weather front is now clearing southwards and westwards throughout tonight.
Good evening. Well, it's been a mixed day weather-wise out there today. For much of the UK, we've had a dry day with blue sky and sunshine around too. This was the picture in Herefordshire a little bit earlier on, but hasn't been the same everywhere. If we take a look at the satellite and radar image, much of eastern and southeastern England has been draped underneath this cloud with drizzly outbreaks of rain. So it's certainly a different looking day in Hastings, East Sussex, where we've got that thick grey cloud around. But if you have had the clear skies by day, you're going to be keeping them overnight. So we're in for a really cold night, particularly across Scotland, Northern Ireland. Clear skies too for parts of northern England into Wales and the far southwest. Looking further ahead then, the high pressure starts to drift away slowly to the east. Into Tuesday we'll start to see lower pressure moving its way in from the Atlantic. So a fair amount of dry and settled weather, but the breeze will be picking up and we'll see some rain in the west by Tuesday. It is going to be a cold and frosty night tonight though. Bye-bye.
Hello, our weather is much quieter than it was at the end of February, but there are still plenty of weather contrast out there across the UK to talk about. Most of the sunshine today in Northern Ireland and Scotland. Here's a view from one of our weather watchers, with a much cloudier picture coming in from our weather watchers across eastern and southern parts of England. Underneath this area of cloud, damp, drizzly, breezy, feeling quite cold. So contrast between the cloudy conditions here and a lot of sunshine elsewhere. The cloud from a weather front which has been hanging around for quite some time, gradually pushing a bit further west overnight and into tomorrow and beginning to decay.